What's wrong with you?
Huh?
What's the matter?
I got a cord on my second right toe, and it hurts.
We'll take a nice picture. We'll take a nice picture.
Wait a minute. My gown's underneath my coat still fastened.
Ah, that's not good.
Goodness.
That's not good at all, Mo.
That's not good.
That's not good at all, Mo. What are you gonna do about that?
I'm going to unfasten it and wrap it around my back, so I get my phone and we start moving.
Yeah, we're gonna start moving.
You're a true mummer.
Yeah, we got it all going. Now, who are you this year? Last year, Underdog was last year.
Yes.
And before that was Superman.
Supergirl.
Supergirl. Okay. Who are you this year?
No, this time I'm not a character. I'm
Okay.
just modeling my costume.
This is your costume. I got you. Okay. Okay, good.
Kind of like a cheerleader a
I
little
know.
bit.
I like when you open the thing up and you open it up. That's nice. Sorry. That looks all good. You know, you got it all. It's good there. It's going to be good. It's going to be okay. Daddy's here with you now. It's going to be okay. Mommy loves you. Daddy's here now. It's going to be good.
My parents are both dead.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that.